We're going to Osaka today. Medyo nakakalula siya, guys. Ang ganda dito, guys. Nakaka-impress. Osaka Castle! Ay, hindi dito. Tingnan nyo, guys. Sabi ko, guys, sobrang saya ko lang. Finally. Parang ayaw na namin umalis. Good morning, guys. We're now here at Tokyo Station. So this is the Shinkansen station going to Shin Osaka. So yes, we're going to Osaka today from Tokyo to Osaka, and our trip is booked for 6 a.m. We booked it via Klook because it's more convenient. We get our QR code to enter through the entrance. It's currently closed because 6 a.m. is the first trip, but the gates will be opening at 5:40 a.m. On Klook, there is an option for you to reserve a seat with Mount Fuji view in case you're interested. And it will only take 2 hours from Tokyo to Osaka with Shinkansen or with the bullet train. And I'm so excited to try that because the first bullet train I tried is in Taiwan. From Taipei to Taichung, but I believe this is even faster. Use my Klook promo code MJSKlook if ever you're booking this train. Guys, so update lang, nakalusot na kami sa entrance. So bale, yung QR code lang talaga yung isa-scan mo tapos you're good. So super convenient if you book in advance. Kasi humahaba din yung pila sa ticketing if dito pa kayo magbubook. And we're now on the platform waiting for the train to open, going to Osaka. So we're now going in, guys. Good job for us. We're now seated sa seats namin dito sa Shinkansen. Let me give you a seat tour. So first, merong hook dito if in case meron kayong binili tapos naka-plastic, pwede nyo i-hook dyan. Same sa airplane, merong table dito in case gusto mo kumain kasi food is, eating inside the train is allowed. Then we have a leg room here, but this is also a room for your small luggage in case you have like this one. And then kahit meron kang luggage yan, meron pa ring leg rooms na natitira. And then this seat reclines. Kailangan mo lang i-pull to tapos push your back. So example lang sa pag-recline, guys, ayan. So example lang yun. So hindi na ako magre-recline ng sobra kasi hindi pa naman ako matutulog. Pero in case na gusto nyo matulog during this trip kasi 2 hours to go into Osaka, then you can recline your seat then sleep or nap. Ayan. Guys, we saw the Mount Fuji. It showed up today, so today there's clear skies today, so it showed up today. So good thing na we had the Mount Fuji side of the train. Alright, guys, so we're now here at Smile Hotel. We just left our luggage, so luggage drop lang kasi it's still early morning. The check-in time is 2 a.m. So after this, we'll go around Osaka using our Osaka Amazing Pass, which we also book on Klook. That includes unlimited rides to bus, subway, and entry or admission to several popular attractions here in Osaka. So we're so excited to do that today. And gabi na kami pabalik dito to check in since we are going to maximize our day visiting the popular locations and attractions here in Osaka. So ayan, guys, Ayun yung hotel namin, Smile Hotel. Tsaka katapat lang yan is yung McDonald's. Ayan. So yung first itinerary natin today using the Osaka Amazing Pass. By the way, we booked that on Klook. Again, use my Klook promo code MJS Klook for discount. So yung unang pupuntahan namin is yung Umeda Sky Building. After nun, yung HEP Ferris Wheel. And then pagkatapos niyan, pupunta kami sa Gyoen Castle. So excited, let's go! Also guys, malapit lang siya sa subway station. So andun yung hotel mismo. And then, eto yung pinakamalapit na subway station. Ayan. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Hindi siya maaraw pero clear yung sky. Guys, so andito na kami sa Umeda. Magkalapit lang yung Umeda Sky Building at saka yung HEP 5 Ferris Wheel. So unahin namin yung Umeda Sky Building. Actually, nakita na namin silang dalawa while we're walking. Guys, ang hirap pag maglalakad ka sa labas kasi sobrang lamig. Mas lalo siyang lumalamig dahil sa hangin. But I think that's the Umeda Sky Building right there. So tatawid na lang kami ng dalawang pedestrian lanes. Ayan. Ano ba nangyari sa buhok ko? Pwede di nga ni. Baba na tayo ng Umeda Sky Building. Sobrang lamig kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. Ayan. Let's go up. At first, medyo nakakalito yung directions kung saan ka dadaan for the Umeda Sky Building kasi meron siyang sarili niyang elevator. Hindi dun mismo sa parang may entrance sa West Tower at saka East Tower. So meron siyang parang elevator sa gilid mismo, but you will know that. Ipapakita ko yung video dito kung saan kami dumaan, tapos merong mga instructions doon, yun yung i-follow nyo. So meron din mga restaurants dito guys and cafes. So pwede kayong kumain if gustuhin nyo. So from the observatory guys, we're now going up to the skywalk. Doon open area siya. Outdoor. Rooftop. Parang same siya dun sa yung any other outdoor or rooftop view. Pero paikot to siya. Oh my god, lamig. 360 degrees. Ayan. Andun yung escalator kanina. Ayan yung view guys. So dito pala sila naglalagay ng parang love lock ba yan? It's called Lumi Lock. This is specially reserved space for lovers. Oh. So pwede kayong maglagay ng Lumi Lock nyo dyan guys. If you wanna seal your love like that. I'm not sure if I think bibili ka ng lock dito kasi naka-uniform yung lock nila. Hindi siya different. Ganda ng view dito. Guys, we're now done with the attraction sa Umeda, both yung observatory at saka yung 3D art. We're now here sa F5 Ferris wheel. Ayun. So we're going to ride that using our Osaka Amazing Pass. Hey guys, we're going to ride it na. Mabagal lang siya. And I'm pretty sure maganda yung view ng Ferris wheel na to from the top. Oops. We're here. Guys, nandito na kami. Mabagal lang yung ano niya, yung ikot, which is good. Tapos hindi din mahaba yung pila, so okay na okay. We're now almost to the top sa Ferris wheel. So as you can see, pababa na yung nasa gilid ko. Nasa taas na tayo. Ooh. Medyo nakakalula siya guys, pero hindi naman sobra. Naging paranoid lang, di ba? Imagine ko paano kayo yung emergency ano neto in case na mag earthquake. What? Simba ko. We're done with F5 Ferris wheel. Ganda na guys, masaya siya. Ang ganda ng view. Worth it, must try. Ang ganda din ng Ferris wheel na parang red kasi nakaka-enhance siya ng pictures niyo. So we're having lunch here, the same building as they have 5 Ferris wheels. So maraming restaurants actually dito or makakainan. So dito lang kami magla-lunch, especially this caught our eye. Yung omelette, yung ganito. So diba, this is a Japanese dish or style of cooking ng egg niya or omelette. So we're going to try that today. I'm pretty sure masarap siya. So I'm so excited. So this is my order guys. This is just the omelette with 2 different sauces. I forgot the sauce name. But this is Ariel's order. Unsa ni mo yi? Tonkatsu. Pork cutlet. Okay, so Ariel got the pork cutlet with curry sauce. Mine, I forgot the name of the 2 sauces, sorry. There's no way for me to review them. Is there a way? Let's eat. Parang tomato yung red at saka cheese. Tama, tomato pala yung red guys. Tapos yung white is parang white cheese. Ang sarap ng egg. Ang sarap ng egg nila dito guys. Mas masarap yung tomato kaysa sa itong white sauce. Titikman din natin yung food niya eh. Yung pork cutlet. Saka yung curry sauce. Masarap talaga pag Japanese curry guys. Sobrang sarap. One of my favorites. Guys, after our lunch, we're here at the Osaka Castle. This is not yet the castle. We're on our way there. Pero sobrang lapit na namin. And then meron kaming nakikitang mga early blooming variety of cherry blossoms. I know na maraming discussion about cherry blossoms, the plum and the peach. Pero whatever, as long as nagbo-bloom siya like into pink. Mas grabe pa yung bloom doon sa Tokyo, doon sa Ueno. So nakikita na from here yung Osaka Castle. Pagdating namin doon, update ko kayo. Ayan. buds pa siya yung iba. Hindi pa siya fully bloomed. Pero I think this is the same variety nung tatlong trees na nakita namin sa Ueno. Kasi ano siya eh, pink. Grabe ka vibrant na pink. Ang ganda dito guys. Actually hindi pa yan yung temple. Andun pa. Lalakarin namin yan. And then I think we can still access the museum inside using the Osaka Pass. Pero take a look at this beauty. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Imagine mo kung paano nila yung ginawa. Pasok lang natin sa mismong premises ng Osaka Castle. Grabe, ang laki ng area guys. At saka na-amaze ako dun sa mga wall na parang pinagtagpi-tagpi na mga bato. Grabe guys, pagka pasok namin sa loob, di ba may wall yun, tapos tubig. Meron pa pala actually isa pang wall going to the castle. Grabe yung pagka-build neto ba, para hindi sila mabilis ma-penetrate ng kalaban or mapasok ng kalaban o yung enemy. Nakaka-impress. Imagine mo nung, I'm not sure kung gaano katagal na tong place na to, pero I'm pretty sure matagal na. And it's very impressive how they build this wall. Para siyang Attack on Titans na wall na may per area. Grabe. Pupunta tayo dyan to go through the second wall. Andito na tayo guys. We made it inside. For some reason, para siyang para siyang English castle. I'm not sure kung this is as old as the Osaka Temple. Osaka Castle. Pero as you can see, the difference ng architecture niya. But this is a Japanese castle. Guys, so pumasok muna kami dun sa, hindi sa castle mismo, pero yung parang England na castle type. And then marami actually ditong mabibilhan ng food. And meron ding museum, like action figure museum. So you can use your Osaka Pass still. So sobrang sulit talaga if you get the Osaka Amazing Pass, because access mo na lahat ng mga attractions dito sa Osaka for just one pass. You have options to get it for 24 hours or 2 days. That includes na your train and then attraction passes. So ayan, pupuntahan natin to kasi umuulan, so hindi tayo pwedeng dumiretso dun sa palace. So itong action figure na museum. Just showing our Osaka Amazing Pass.
Excuse me?
Oh no!
No video.
But only photo. Guys, no video allowed here, but it's okay. Picture lang kami. It's okay. Pero merong medyo maambon na mainit. Pero ayan, Osaka Castle. Grabe. Grabe yung pagkagawa ng area na to guys. Parang impenetrable talaga siya. Ang hirap pasukin. Ang ganda, ang amazing ng architecture, yung design. Sobrang ganda. Guys, so sobrang daming tao. Nakikita ko to sa mga TikTok at YouTube videos na mas okay magpa-picture. Ay hindi dito sa mali. Kasi nasa second wall na tayo. Yung magandang picture pa nito is nasa first wall. Nakalabas na kami mismo dyan sa second wall. So ito yung first wall ulit. So I thought doon yung magandang picture sa likod mismo ng castle, yung mostly na tinitake ng picture. I realized dito pala yon sa first wall mismo. And then we're going there. Nakikita ko na yung may bangka na dumadaan mismo sa after the first wall. Naintindihan niyo ba ako? Yung ibig ko sabihin yan, di ba? Nasa loob pa kasi ito ng first wall, andun yung second wall, tapos yung palace or castle. So, papunta kami doon sa may magandang spot na likod mismo ng castle para mag-picture. And you know what guys, ang dami palang cherry blossom trees dito. Hindi pa nga peak season ngayon, kaya ayan, walang mga leaves. Pero meron ng mga visible early blooming cherry blossoms. Meron iba nagbo-bloom na, yung early blooming na variety. Ito example na to, tingnan nyo. Sobrang liit pa yung nag-bloom niya. Actually, it doesn't smell anything. So yan, punta tayo dun sa baba kasi mas maraming puno dun na cherry blossoms. I think nag-start na siya yung parang bud. Pero yung iba is may nagbo-bloom na. Pero again, I think yun yung mga early variety. Yung variety na early blooming. Pero guys, ang dami. Tingnan nyo. Wow! From here, makikita nyo guys. Ipapakita ko. What? Ang ganda. Look! Ay, sorry. Tingnan nyo guys. I mean, hindi pa yan fully bloom. Kaya ganyan siya. Pero may nag-start ng nag-si-bloom. Puntahan natin yan. Ayun guys, malapit na tayo. Tingnan nyo, parang dahil sa dami niya, nagla-light pink na siya. Pero pag super fully bloom yan, siguro sobrang ganda pa. Actually, maganda na siya ngayon. Pero can you imagine if full bloom na siya? So, if you're traveling here, April, I'm pretty sure full bloom na to. Mas ma-enjoy nyo yung cherry blossoms. Eto din, I think these are cherry blossoms din. Kaso hindi pa din siya nagbo-bloom. Pero can you imagine if buong paligid na to is nagpi-pink na dahil sa cherry blossoms? Grabe. Maybe next year, I'll catch another flight na blooming season talaga ng cherry blossoms. Maybe April next year. Hopefully. Ayan, actually, kasi klaseng variety siya guys. Merong pagka-dark na pink, very vibrant na pink, light pink, up to like merong white na cherry blossoms. Hindi ako expert guys ha sa variety ng cherry blossoms kasi I heard meron ngang plum, cherry, at saka peach. Hindi ako sure. Eto, ayan yung white. Tapos makita ko sa inyo yung isa pang kulay. Yun yung white. Ako mula na. Eto yung medyo bright pink. Bright din kasi meron pang light na variety yun. Pero so kaya tinatawag kong bright pink. Eto yung dark pink or may pagka-red na siya. Ayan. Tapos yung light pink, hanapin natin yung light pink. Alam ko lilipas lang tong lilipas lang tong ulan na to. Eto yung light pink. Medyo may pagka-white na siya pero meron pa rin siyang pink na color. Ayan. So ang daming variety na nandito. Sobrang pinkish color yung buong area. Ang ganda. Again guys, nasa ano to, Osaka Castle na area. So yan guys, puro cherry blossoms yan. Pati dito. Actually paikot siya. Buong garden na to, cherry blossoms. Sobrang ganda, lalo na yung area na dito. Especially this area. The cherry blossoms are much more blooming. Ganun ba ang term? They're much more blooming kumbaga dito. I think this is not the cherry type blossom na type na sakura. Hindi ako sure pero still ang ganda niya. Especially this part na andito. Ewan ko guys, sobrang saya ko lang. I finally experience and see the beauty of this tree and flowers. Diba? We made it! Ang ganda, first time seeing na ganito karami na cherry blossoms. Well, this is my first time seeing a cherry blossom for this trip, guys. Hindi ko pa nakita yung cherry blossom sa Taiwan. Ang sarap.
We've been living in sin so long, all the fields are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright.
Ang ganda ng place, parang ayaw na namin umalis. Like dito sa sa Osaka Castle. Ang ganda ng view dito, ang ganda pa ng mga cherry blossoms. Ang sarap lang mag-chill actually at mag-relax dito. If ever taga Osaka ako, no, I think araw-araw akong papasyal dito. Nakapag-picture na kami from here with the Osaka Castle. So itong area na to. If gusto niyo makita yung pictures, just check my Instagram, MJ Salaga, if nagustuhan itong angle na andito yung picture. Yun lang. So ngayon pupunta tayo sa maybe dun sa Glicoman. We'll see. So after Ueno Park, we're now going to Shinsekai. That tower is very familiar, especially sa mga pupunta ng Osaka. Pwede ka rin umakyat dyan using the amazing Tokyo Pass. The amazing Osaka Pass. So pwede mo din yung gamitin to go up to the tower. And then maraming street food at saka mga place na pwede nyo makainan din around that area. So that's what we're going for tonight. So nag-rest lang kami dito, nagpahinga konti kasi mahabang lakaran yung ginawa namin sa not Ueno ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Mahaba yung lakaran namin kanina sa Osaka Castle. Nag-train kami going here, the nearest subway, and then ngayon we're just waiting na medyo siguro dumilim. Maganda yung tower pag madilim na, and then siguro we'll take some pictures. Ang ganda din ng place dito, ang peaceful, ang quiet para magpahinga.